So many times, a lot of students usually skip this kind of question. I have no reason why they are doing that. But let me guide you through how to solve questions like this step by step. The question says 56.00 cm cubed of a gas at STP weighs 0.11 gram. What is the vapor density of the gas? Take molar mass or molar volume of a gas at STP to be 22.4 dm cube. Look at the options 11, 22, 33, 44. Now, the major concern is that if you don't know the formula for vapor density, and you don't know how to get molar mass and all of that, it becomes a problem. Another problem they usually have is that if you don't know how to do conversion in chemistry, that's another problem. Maybe if you need videos about topic for me to treat about conversion in chemistry, I will do that. All right, first thing first, we want to see how to convert this 56.00 cm cube to liters. All right. Now, if you are converting this to liters, keep in mind the formula you need to be familiar is that centimeter. If you're converting from centimeter cube to liters, you want to be sure that 1 liter. You want to know what liter we give you. 1 liter is the same thing as 1000 centimeter cube. Keep that in mind. So to convert cubic centimeters to liters, what you need to do is to divide by 1000. So you just say that liter will equal to cm cube divided by 1000. Now what is the cm cube given to us? Look at it, 56 cm cube. So you just place that up here at the numerator, 56 cm cube. Let me just put the way it is so that you don't get confused, divided by 1000. And if you use the calculator to punch this, you have that the answer becomes 0.05600 liters. And this is the first conversion I needed us to do that will help us to solve this problem. Now the next thing we want to do is to, why are we even converting to liters? Since the molar volume uses liters, this molar volume of gas is this in dm cube. Most times it uses liters because we're going to convert this to liters also. That's why we choose to bring this in liters, so it makes it easier for us. So the next thing we want to do is to find the number of moles, and you use the relationship between moles volume and molar mass. You know, moles equals volume over molar mass. Let me know if you've seen this before. If you've not seen, it's an opportunity for you to learn it. Keep in mind, I said moles is equal to, that's the relationship between three of them. So now this moles, we usually use small letter n to symbolize moles. Some people call it number of moles too. The volume, we've calculated it, we converted it from this volume cm cube to this one we have in liters. So we have 0.05600 divided by the molar volume has been given in STP, this 22.4 dm cube. But then we're going to write this particular one in liters per mole. How do we do that? It's just the same value, which is 22.4 liters per mole. We want it to be in liters, so it corresponds to this. Keep in mind, this value is in liters, not in cm cube anymore. Okay, so what's the next step? Having done this, you just divide. So n, which is number of moles, is equal to, when you point your calculator, you have 0.0025 mole. Confirm if that's correct. Remember, this one will be in liter, so liter and liter cancels liter, mole will be left. All right, so finally, to calculate the molar mass, we needed to calculate the molar mass. That will help us to get the vapor density. I can as well use the ideal gas law, which is PV equal to N arrow T, to solve this question, but let me follow this route. Now, how do we calculate the molar mass? The molar mass, we usually use capital letter M for molar mass. Molar mass, M, is equal to mass over mole or moles. Now, we have the mass given originally from the question, which is that 0.11. I saw it somewhere. Okay, look at this, 0.11 grams. So 0.11 grams. Mass most times is always in gram, not kilogram. And then the moles we calculated was 0.0025 moles. Now, by the time you divide this by this, you have the molar mass to be equal to this divided by this will give us 44 gram per mole. Now, do you think that's the option? That's the best answer? some people go and click or tick this particular one to be the final answer. It's not. What you're asked to compute is the vapor density, which is VD. The vapor density. The vapor density is equal to mass, molar mass or mass, molar mass rather, which is this M divided by 2. This is the formula. Very simple formula. I wonder why people don't know it. So this will give us 44 divided by 2, and that will give us 22. See, they don't even care about the unit over here. So just pick your B as the best answer. I hope this helps.